Section 1. Introduction to HTML forms. HTML forms are the backbone of user interaction on the web. They provide a structured way for users to input data and send it to a web server for processing. This interaction is the foundation of countless online activities, from submitting search queries to making purchases and engaging in social media. Forms bridge the gap between users and web applications, enabling a dynamic and responsive web experience. Imagine a world without forms. Online shopping would be impossible, social media interactions would be non-existent, search engines would be unable to process our requests. Forms are the unsung heroes of the web, silently facilitating countless actions that we take for granted. This essay delves into the world of HTML forms and multimedia elements, providing a comprehensive guide to understanding and implementing these crucial components of web development. We will explore the core elements that form the building blocks of forms, and furthermore, we will uncover the nuances of various input types, attributes, and advanced form elements that empower developers to craft user-friendly and efficient forms. Whether you are new to web development or seeking to deepen your understanding of HTML forms and multimedia integration, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to create engaging and interactive web experiences. Join us as we embark on a journey to unlock the power of HTML forms and multimedia, transforming static web pages into dynamic platforms for user interaction. Section 2. Essential form elements. At the heart of every HTML form lies the element. This element acts as a container, encapsulating all other form elements and defining the form's boundaries. It signals to the browser that the enclosed elements are part of a form, enabling the browser to handle user input and submission appropriately. Within the element reside various input elements, each designed to capture specific types of data. The element, for instance, is a versatile workhorse capable of collecting text, passwords, numerical values, and more. Its type attribute dictates the kind of input it accepts, providing flexibility in form design. To enhance the usability and accessibility of forms, labels are crucial. The element provides a descriptive label for each input field, clearly communicating its purpose to the user. This not only improves the user experience, but also aids in accessibility for users with screen readers. Finally, the element provides the means for users to submit the form data. By clicking on a button, users initiate the process of sending the collected information to the web server for processing. The button's type attribute determines its behavior, allowing for actions like submitting the form or resetting its values. Section 3. Input types for diverse data. HTML offers a rich palette of input types, each tailored to capture specific data formats. This granularity ensures that users can input information in a way that is both intuitive and efficient. For collecting textual data, the text input type reigns supreme. It allows users to enter alphanumeric characters, making it suitable for names, addresses, and general text fields. When privacy is paramount, the password input type steps in, masking the entered characters for security purposes. For gathering structured data, HTML provides specialized input types. The email input type, for instance, ensures that users enter valid email addresses, while the number type restricts input to numerical values. Dates can be captured using the date input type, providing a user-friendly calendar interface. Selection-based input is handled by checkboxes and radio buttons. Checkboxes, denoted by the checkbox type, allow users to select multiple options from a list. Radio buttons, on the other hand, employ the radio type and restrict users to selecting a single option from a group. Section 4. Attributes enhancing form functionality. Attributes are the key to unlocking the full potential of HTML forms. These name-value pairs, embedded within form elements, provide fine-grained control over form behavior and appearance. The attribute of the element specifies the URL to which the form data will be submitted. It acts as the form's destination, directing the collected information to the appropriate server-side script for processing. The attribute, working in tandem with, dictates how the data is sent. Get appends data to the URL, while post transmits it more securely within the request body. Input elements are endowed with their own set of attributes. The attribute is crucial, assigning a unique identifier to each input field. This identifier acts as a label, allowing server-side scripts to identify and access the submitted data. The attribute provides helpful hints to users, displaying temporary text within the input field to guide their input. To enforce data integrity, the attribute can be employed. This attribute makes an input field mandatory, preventing form submission until the user provides a value. This ensures that crucial data points are not omitted, maintaining data quality. Section 5. Advanced form elements for complex interactions. As forms grow in complexity, advanced form elements come to the rescue, providing the structural and functional enhancements needed to handle intricate data input scenarios. The element steps in when a single line of text won't suffice. It allows users to input multiple lines of text, making it ideal for capturing comments, feedback, or longer textual content. Drop-down lists, constructed using the element and its companion tags, present users with a curated list of choices. This conserves screen space while guiding users towards valid selections. For grouping related form elements, the element acts as a visual and semantic container. It encloses a section of the form, providing visual separation and allowing developers to apply styling or scripting logic to the group as a whole. The element used within A provides a concise caption for the grouped elements, further enhancing form readability. These advanced form elements empower developers to create sophisticated and user-friendly forms, catering to a wide array of data collection needs. By combining these elements strategically, developers can craft forms that are both visually appealing and highly functional. Section 6. Multimedia integration, images and graphics. Multimedia elements inject life and vibrancy into web pages, transforming them from static text documents into engaging and immersive experiences. Images, in particular, play a pivotal role in enhancing visual appeal and conveying information that words alone cannot. The element is the cornerstone of image embedding in HTML. Its attribute specifies the URL of the image file, fetching it from the server and displaying it on the page. The attribute provides alternative text for the image, crucial for accessibility and SEO purposes. This text is displayed if the image cannot be loaded or is accessed by assistive technologies. For responsive images that adapt to different screen sizes and resolutions, the attribute steps in. It allows developers to specify multiple image sources, each tailored to a specific viewport width or device pixel ratio. The browser then selects the most appropriate image source, ensuring optimal image quality and loading performance. Taking responsive images a step further, the element provides a comprehensive solution for art direction in responsive web design. It allows developers to define different images for varying viewport sizes, ensuring that images are displayed in their most optimal format across a range of devices. Section 7. Bringing sound to life audio. Embedding with HTML. Audio elements enrich web experiences by adding a sonic dimension, creating immersive environments, and enhancing storytelling. Whether it's background music, podcasts, or sound effects, embedding audio content can significantly enhance the engagement and impact of web pages. The element provides a straightforward way to embed sound files into HTML documents. Similar to the element, its attribute points to the URL of the audio file, while the attribute adds playback controls to the audio player, allowing users to manage playback. To cater to different browser capabilities and audio formats, the element can be nested within the element. This allows developers to specify multiple audio sources in various formats, such as MP3, WAV, or OGG. The browser then automatically selects the first supported format, ensuring that the audio content can be played on a wide range of devices. Audio content can be set to autoplay using the attribute, starting playback as soon as the page loads. However, it's important to use this attribute judiciously, as unexpected audio playback can be disruptive to users. Providing users with control over audio playback is generally recommended. Section 8. The power of motion, embedding videos in your web pages. Videos have become an integral part of the online landscape, captivating audiences with their ability to convey information, evoke emotions, and tell compelling stories. Embedding videos directly into web pages creates a seamless and immersive user experience. The element takes center stage in video embedding, Its attribute specifies the URL of the video file, while the attribute, similar to its audio counterpart, adds playback controls to the video player, empowering users to manage their viewing experience. Like the element also supports the element, allowing for the specification of multiple video sources in different formats such as MP4, WebM or OGG. This ensures compatibility across a wide range of browsers and devices, providing a consistent viewing experience. Videos can be set to loop continuously using the attribute. This is particularly useful for background videos or animated elements that are intended to play repeatedly. The attribute, while tempting to use, should be approached with caution, as unexpected video playback can be disruptive to users, particularly on mobile devices with limited bandwidth. Section 9. External content integration embedding with. The element extends the capabilities of web pages by enabling the seamless integration of external content. This versatile element acts as a window to other websites or web applications, embedding them directly into the current page. One of the most common uses is embedding YouTube videos. By copying the embed code provided by YouTube and pasting it into the attribute of the web, developers can easily integrate videos into their pages, providing a rich multimedia experience. Another popular application is embedding Google Maps. This allows developers to display interactive maps directly on their websites, providing location-based information, directions, and street views. Users can interact with the embedded map, zooming in and out, panning and exploring different locations without leaving the current page. The element is a powerful tool for extending the functionality and content of web pages. It allows developers to leverage the vast resources of the web, integrating external content seamlessly and creating richer, more interactive user experiences. By harnessing the power of web, developers can create dynamic and engaging web pages that cater to a wide range of user needs and interests.